everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add reverb on KineMaster. Adding reverb on KineMaster enhances the sound by creating a sense of space or ambience. So in order to do that, first of all, open the KineMaster application on your mobile device, start up a new project or open up an existing one where you want to add reverb to the audio. Here, since I have no audio or video files on the timeline, first of all, let me tap on Media and select a video clip where you will be able to hear sound effects or where you have sounds in it. Once you import the video, go ahead and select the clip on the timeline and you will be able to see editing tools on the right hand corner. Select the reverb option from the menu and then go ahead and choose from the reverb options. Select one of the reverb option that you want to use and apply to your sound on your video clip. And after you are done adding in the reverb onto your video project, you can now go ahead and play the video clip by using the play button, and after you are happy with the result, tap on the export button at the top right and save your video as usual. And that is how you will be able to add reverb on your KineMaster application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.